Hello, Hien. So I'm going to show you the complete version or the complete code on how you can do the code, complete the code. Now here I said you should create a calculator, right? A simple calculator, right? Here, a simple calculator that a user can impute. And task two should be no, no, no. Task two should be the okay. Second task there should be uh, what should at the end, right? Like the user can choose should be end, yes or no. Let the user choose to continue or exit the program, okay, or stop the program. Okay. So we got it here. This is the number one. It takes user input. Number two, your if statement or if choice, right? And the third one is the user input first number and the second number. Next, we have the if statement that calculates or multiply the variables, right? Yes, these are the problems and the results here as simple as that. Now, we come here to check if the user wants another calculation, yes? So here we declared that next calculation should be input. And if he wants yes or no. Now here, right, then we said if no, that's if no to lower or yes, and on what the user wants to be no. If it is no, stop. This break is for stop, right? Don't lie, right? Then else if the user, that means if the user inputs a different word or character or string. That's that. Then put it here. Break is to stop. Easy peasy. Then if it continues, we say stop and say thank you for the calculation. That is it. Hope you can understand and improve. You did this already. I know you can do this already. You just need to put one, two. You already know this already. You already know this. And you just need to add if these two declarations. Yeah. If the user said this, that's it. Thank you. Hope you understand. And if you have any problem, let me know.